How to make Keto Cloud Bread Roll-Ups. Please kindly do subscribe to this channel, and turn on the notification bell, so that you will be the first to know whenever we upload a new video. Also, show some love, by liking this video, so that it can be recommended to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you. The ingredients: 3 large eggs, separated, 2 tablespoon cream cheese, 1½ ounce cheddar cheese, sliced, 1½ ounce deli-sliced salami. The preparation: 1. Measure out and prepare all the ingredients. Preheat oven to 350 F. 2. In a bowl, beat the egg whites until they get really fluffy. 3. In a separate bowl, add the egg yolks and cream cheese. Mix together well. 4. Carefully add the egg yolk and cream cheese mixture to the egg whites. Fold them into each other gently. 5. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Spread out the mixture into an even rectangular shape. 6. Bake in the oven for about 15 minutes or until golden brown in color. 7. Place the cheddar cheese and the salami evenly on the egg base and roll it up immediately after coming out of the oven. 8. Cut it into even slices. Then serve and enjoy. The serving. This makes a total of 3 servings of Keto Cloud Bread Roll-Ups. Each serving comes out to be 223 calories, 17.7 grams fat, 1.3 grams net carbs, and 13.7 grams protein. If you wanted to get a custom keto diet or dessert made up for you, just click on this link in the description below this video. Also, please kindly do like and share this video, so that it can be shown to as many people as possible, that need to see it. Thank you.